Excuse me, may I ask you some questions about your daily routine?
Yes, go ahead.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 5 a.m.
At 5 a.m.?
Yes.
What do you usually do after getting up?
After getting up, I usually study English.
Study English?
Yes.
What time do you usually study English?
I usually study English at 5:15 a.m.
At 5:15 a.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to study English?
It takes me about 1 hour to study English.
1 hour?
Yes.
What do you usually do after studying English?
After studying English, I usually have breakfast.
Have breakfast?
Yes.
What time do you usually have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 6:15 a.m.
Pardon?
6:15 a.m.
6:15 a.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to have breakfast?
It takes me about 10 minutes to have breakfast.
10 minutes?
Yes.
What do you usually do after having breakfast?
After having breakfast, I usually go to school.
Go to school?
Yes.
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at 7 a.m.
7 a.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to go to school?
It takes me about 15 minutes to go to school.
15 minutes?
Yes.
What do you usually do after going to school?
After going to school, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch?
Yes.
What time do you usually have lunch?
It takes me about, I usually have lunch at 12 p.m.
12 p.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to have lunch?
It takes me about 30 minutes to have lunch.
30 minutes?
Yes.
What do you usually do after having lunch?
After having lunch, I usually have a nap.
Have a nap?
Yes.
What time do you usually have a nap?
I usually have a nap at 1 p.m.
1 p.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to have a nap?
It takes me about 2 hours to have a nap.
2 hours?
Yes.
What do you usually do after having a nap?
After having a nap, I usually take exercise.
Take exercise?
Yes.
What time do you usually take exercise?
I usually take exercise at 4 p.m.
4 p.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to take exercise?
It takes me about 1 hour to take exercise.
1 hour?
Yes.
What do you usually do after taking exercise?
After taking exercise, I usually have dinner.
Have dinner?
Yes.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 6 p.m.
6 p.m.?
Yes.
How long does it take you to have dinner?
It takes me about 20 minutes to have dinner.
20 minutes?
Yes.
What do you usually have dinner? What do you usually do after having dinner?
After having dinner, I usually do my homework.
Do my homework?
Yes.
Do your homework?
Yes.
What time do you usually do your homework?
I usually do my homework at 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yes.
How long does it take you to do my homework?
It takes me about 2 hours to do my homework.
2 hours?
Yes.
What do you usually do after doing your homework?
After doing my homework, I usually go to bed.
Go to bed.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you?